Hey, good morning. I just thought I'd do a follow up here real quick with the couple additions for this VSSL survival kit. Again, this is not something that's meant for an end all be all or the only thing, but to add to whatever you might have. And one thing I did was, of course, custom bought each piece. I've got a candle, some pyro putty to make fire, the water purification kit, which has some tabs, a bag, a couple other things, miscellaneous gear, which, all this stuff I went through on a different video. But what I also did was buy 2 empty cases to put my own stuff in. So let's go over these and some of the reasons behind them. The first was I just wanted some med supplies. Not like bandage or anything else. I've got a full medical kit, but this is just some extra medicines, like aspirins, ibuprofen, diuretics, or diarrhea medicine, that type of stuff. As you can see, they all fit in here. There's a dose of each in here. If I were to do this over again, I would probably get rid of one of these two and go with the double size piece just to get a few extra meds in there. But it holds what I need. And again, this is just a supplement. This is not, the end all only thing I'm going to have. So that's what I did with the first. The second was I wanted some extra tinder. I've got the pyro putty here, which is great. But I wanted something to carry just a little extra and to extend the fire making part. Now, one of the first things in here is some tinder. Very, almost like dryer lint, but I think it's even thinner than dryer lint. And as you can see, there's a lot that can be put in here. And along with that, which might just be easier, is this waxed jute rope. And I say rope because it's much thicker than your regular twine. As you can see, it's probably a 1/4 inch thick, but it's neat because it just wraps around the outside of the tin. So this is great. Before I actually throw this in a kit, I'll char up, one or both of the ends just so that it's ready to go. But it makes a great little wick. Just helps extend the ability of a flame to create the fire. So let's roll this back up. And again, like I said, I have this on the outside, pretty tight down. And again, I just wanted a couple extra things for fire. After I've got fire, I can do pretty much whatever else I need. So that just goes in there, and as you can see, there's a lot of space here in the middle, which is where all of this stuff ends up going, and literally just like shoved in there. Looks like it's leavings of. I got the fire or the tinder wick from the same people that sent this cotton stuff, and I can get more cotton in there. I've got a lot more. It's definitely got some wax in it, but as you can see, there's some room in here, and I was looking at the kit and I'm like, there's one piece that's missing. I have no way of actually starting the fire or sparking the fire. And yes, main kit carries, I've got some matches, I've got a lighter, I got ferro rod. I got multiple ways of starting fires that way. But I need something, I just wanted something in here so, just a backup. So I searched around, I tried different things to see what would fit in the tin here or what would fit, just inside here. There's a little bit of room inside here when all the bits are in, but I just couldn't find anything that I liked or would fit. So I bought and sent a lot of stuff back until I found this, and it's a UST, and it's just a striker. But the best thing about it is its size. It's got brass and steel, and it's like the inside of the Zippo. But the best thing is the size. It fits inside. So now I've got a way of making fire. Hands are all waxy. I've got a way of starting that fire. And I can feel that on my hands. So this is awesome. Fits in there. Good quality, brass, all that kind of stuff. And while I wish this would have fit, as you can see, there are three, maybe. There's three extra flints. So what I'm probably going to end up doing with those three is take a clear piece of tape and just tape them to the lid so that they're there just in case. But until that point, namely because I can't find my damn tape, I don't want to use Gorilla Tape because I think that would have too many leavings. But that actually completes out what I wanted with this kit. So I've now got a way of making the fire. I've got tinder here, I've got tinder here, I've got a candle. I mean, this is awesome. I could probably replace all this other stuff over here with other fire making things, but nah, I got what I need. So now, again, we're going to throw them back in here and show you how it all sights up. And I just love the sound. Just love that sound. So all my fire stuff first. Then I'm going to do the water. And just leave the meds on top. These are easier to get to than my regular med kit as far as those go. And as you can see on the top, it's got a Sunto liquid-filled compass. And, I love my Suntos. I got a couple others. My main compass is the Global MC2. Absolutely love it. And this was a little extra for the kit, but you know what? Might as well. So we get all this put back. Nice little watertight container, which now has a way to make fire. So enjoy the rest of your weekend. Take advantage of this awesome fall that we're having right now, and we'll talk to you later.